What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can turn off your comments on TikTok. So if you don't know what this feature is, basically there's a feature in TikTok which allows you to turn off comment on your account. So there are some TikTok accounts where you guys can't comment on their video. You can like and share their video, but you can't comment because their feature is disabled. You guys can also do that if you guys want. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. Let's get into the video without any further ado. So for this, you open your TikTok account, you click on this three line over here and then go on privacy. Once you go on privacy, there's this thing called comments. Click on comments and there's this option called no one. If you click on no one will be able to comment on your TikTok videos. Literally no one. Alright, not even you. But if you click on friends, the people who follow you can comment on your posts. So that's basically what friends is. But once you click on everyone can comment on your post. So the choice is yours. You click on no one will comment. Friends, followers that you follow back will only comment. Everyone, the person who follows, the person who does not follows you can comment. So just click on one option and the setting will be implemented according to the option you chose. So that's how you guys can turn off your comments on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye everybody. Have a nice day.